With almonds, you can make so many varieties of cookies. Today I'm going to show you soft and flavorful almond cookies. These cookies taste better than branded company cookies. Good cookies for a tea time. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, one more variety of almond cookies. I'm going to make these cookies without using refined sugar. First, in a bowl, take room temperature unsalted butter 90 grams and whisk it till butter turns to soft and creamy. When butter turns to creamy texture, add 10 grams of honey and 20 grams of peanut butter and whisk. When butter, honey and peanut butter mixed well, add 65 grams of powdered jaggery, 10 grams of grated dried coconut or coconut powder. Now whisk till jaggery melts in butter. Here you can replace jaggery with brown sugar. When jaggery melts in butter, add 1 egg and 2 ml of vanilla essence and mix. Don't stop mixing immediately. Whisk until the butter mixture becomes thick paste. When the mixture becomes thick paste, take out the whisk. And now in a sieve take 90 grams of almond flour, 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 grams of baking powder and 1 gram of salt. Now sift in all the ingredients. If you don't find readily available almond flour, take 90 grams of unroasted almonds and blend them into a powder and use this powder. Now mix dry and wet ingredients well in cut and fold method. When all the ingredients mixed well, drop this batter in a stretch film. Cover with the film in a square shape. Roll and level the batter. Now refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, cut into equal parts and make each part into a round shape and place them on a baking tray aligned with parchment. After you have finished doing all, press the balls and give them a nice round and flat shape. Now with the help of spoon or a spatula, press slightly on top of cookies to give them nice look. Here I'm doing diamond design. You can do as per your wish. Now apply milk on top of cookies. You can use egg yolk wash also. This will give beautiful color to the cookies. You can skip this step if you want. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 10-12 minutes. After 10 minutes, our tasty, yummy almond cookies are ready.